Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to collect GPS data by using your mobile phone. So first go to your Play Store and type GPS Waypoints. Then you will see the apps which is showing right now. This is the apps which we can use for collecting GPS data. Just install it. Here you can see my app is showing update because I have already installed this application. So next section we'll discuss how to use this app. After installation, when you open your application, you will see this dashboard where in the upper side and there are three sections. The sections are dashboard, satellites, and sky plot. In dashboard, you will see some information, but one information always keep in mind, that is accuracy. So for a good location, the accuracy number should be below 10 meter.
So this is a second section, which is satellite section. Here you can see the available satellites. So you can check out the available satellites. Currently 5 to 6 GPS, 1 GLONASS and 9 other satellites are available. In this section, you can see the current available satellites location. Here you can see 4 different color dots. Each color dot represents different satellites. Okay, for collecting GPS data, what you have to do, just click on Add Waypoint. Then you will see this dialog box. Here you can rename it or you can leave it by default. Then just simply click on Save. Then it will be saved. Or here you can see the waypoint. So in this way, you can collect your XY data or GPS data. Here I have collected 4 different GPS data for showing you this tutorial. After collecting, I will show you how to export this data and how to use it in GIS software or in GIS environment. Now we'll see how to export the collected waypoints data or XY data in our local folder. Here local folder means mobile storage folder. For that, what we have to do is just click on this menu option. Then you will see a list of options. Just click on waypoints. Here you can see 4 waypoints or XY data I have collected. If you want to export all the data once, then just click on export all. Or if you want to export some particular waypoints, then you can select one by one by holding on the particular waypoints. After selecting, just click on export selected. Here I will export all the waypoints by clicking on export all option. Once you click on export all options, within a second a dialog box will open. Here we have only 3 format available. Others are premium. If you are familiar to KML file, then you can go on it. But here I will show you exporting GPX format. For that, I select GPX format. Then rename the file whatever name you want for your convenience. After that, just click on export. Once you click on export in the below, you will see the exact file location. Now you can see this is the QGIS interface. For importing GPX file, you can open an existing project or you can create a new project. Now click on here to change coordinate system and select WGS 84.
and then apply. Just click on apply. Click on layer in the top menu bar, select add layer and then select add GPX layer. Then data source management dialog will open. Click the browse button, then navigate to your GPX file location. So this is the folder where I saved the GPX file. Select your GPX file and click on open. For now we have collected only the waypoints, so deselect the routes and tracks and click on add and then close the dialog box. So these are the 4 waypoints. If you want to export this file into SAP file format, you can do it. Right click on this layer or this file, select export and then select SAP feature as. A dialog box will open. Browse the location or navigate to the location where you want to save the file, then rename the file with a meaningful name. And then click on save. Leave the other option as it is. Click on OK. Now you can see the save file in the layer panel. Here you can see this message telling layer exported. Successfully saved factor layer to this particular folder or location. So in this way you can collect GPS data or waypoints and use it to your college or other projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and leave a comment, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you for your support.